Welcome to Kids Academy.
Today, we will have a closer look at the chessboard, and we'll try to understand how it's organized and what it looks like.
That's an easy question. We can see that the chessboard is made of dark and light squares.
Although chessboards can be different, they are all made of light and dark squares. Along those squares, pieces move. In a way, it's just like the world around us.
How is that?
We can often see dark and light side by side in our daily life, just like shadows and light, or night and day. Chess reminds people of life itself. That's why they like to play this game. Each of us has dreams and plans, meets difficulties, and has to overcome them to be a winner. It happens both in our lives and on chessboards.
You said that chessboards can be different.
Yes, even in our small classroom, there are many kinds of chessboards. One is huge. It's painted on the floor. It's great for watching how pieces move.
That's right! Rolling around it is pretty cool, too!
Another board hangs on the wall. It's very handy for studies. It's called a demonstration board. What you see on it are not the chess pieces themselves, but their symbols.
Symbols?
Yes, symbols are pictures of the chess pieces you already know. If you look close at them, you can guess which symbol stands for which piece. For example, this crown with a cross on top.
It must be the king.
Correct. It's the same cross as on the chess piece. The crown with sharp edges represents the queen. The horse head stands for the knight, the tower for the rook, and so on.
And what other chessboards are there?
There's a wooden chest with chess pieces in our cupboard. If you open it, it'll turn into a chessboard too.
We have the same chess set at home too.
It's the most popular type of chess. It's easy to carry it around and even to take it along with you when on a journey. And still, though chessboards are so different, they always have a square shape and each of their sides has 8 squares.
And what if they make it with 10 squares? Is it possible?
All is possible, but such a board won't be a chessboard. Pieces won't be able to form regular ranks on it, because there must be 8 pieces in a row. So the game will be a mess even before it starts.
How do pieces find their places on the chessboard?
To avoid confusion, there are special routes on the board, along which the pieces move. These routes are called ranks, files, and diagonals. We already mentioned them when we were getting to know the chess pieces. Ranks are rows of squares that go from left to right. Files go in straight lines from one chess army to the other. Both ranks and files are made of 8 squares each. There are other routes on the board as well. They are called diagonals. Bishops walk along them. Diagonals are inclined routes that go through squares of the same color. They can be of different lengths. The longest diagonals cross the center of the board. The shortest ones are near the corners. These are the routes along which the pieces move.
Oh dear, so many routes on one board. It's so confusing.
There's no place for confusion on the chessboard. You just need to know one more thing. Look at the edges of the board. What do you see?
There's a letter near each square. And over here, there are numbers.
Right. To easily find their way on the board, people numbered horizontal ranks from 1 to 8 and marked the vertical files with letters from A to H. This way, each square has its name, A1, B2, and so on.
Wow! These 64 squares have 64 names? Why do they need those names?
You'll learn this secret at our next class. And for today, the lesson is over.
In the next episode, we'll find out why chessboard squares need names. We'll learn about the center of the board and why both armies try their best to take it over. We'll understand why pieces get more powerful once they reach this amazing place. See you in the chess class.